last year pa pinag-uusapan na yung simula nung corruption scandal. Everyone's been talking about a more transparent budget process, ano. Inulit na naman nila yan ngayon. Medyo komplikado yan dahil budgeting yan sa finance eh. Ikaw, kung ano yung masasuggest mo na talagang mararamdaman ng tao, uy, mas transparent nga itong ginagawa nila ngayon. Ano yung gusto mo makita in the process?
Yes. So that's a very interesting question because I also did the open budget survey kung saan mini-measure natin yung level ng transparency, accountability in terms of oversight ng COA at saka ng Congress, pati na rin ng participation. Actually, you'll be surprised because based on the metrics of the open budget survey, we have very high levels of transparency. In fact, nagagamit na nga yan to redress all of the accountability issues, all of the budget anomalies. Pero sa tingin ko, hindi sapat na transparency lang in terms of live streaming the budget process pagdating representatives at the Senate. Hindi sapat yung nakalagay lang yung mga data sets na, yung mga headline numbers, data sets doon sa websites ng Fiscal Oversight Agency, I mean, DBM, DOF, and the Treasury, pati na rin ng DepEd. Ang pinaka-importante at base dun sa survey na nabanggit ko, the Open Budget Survey, where we are severely lacking is in the mechanisms for participation. And I think transparency can only be impactful kung merong mataas na level ng participation throughout the budget process. Unang-una, budget pa lang, pag-prepare pa lang ng budget, nandiyan ang civil society, nandiyan na ang vulnerable groups who can have a share of the pie, mababantayan from end to end. Nandun sila sa proseso ng pag-prepare ng budgets with the agencies. Pwede silang magbantay habang nagde-deliberate ang DBM hanggang sa papunta sa House Committee level, Senate Committee level, the plenary of both houses of Congress, pati na rin sa BICAM. And more importantly, kapag ini-implement na ang budget. Kasi sa totoo lang, yung mga flood control issues, mga anomalies na tumutok last year, ang malaki nating problema kasi ay wala tayong transparency at participation pagdating sa phase ng budget na tinatawag na budget execution. Dito nangyayari ang relief fund, dito nangyayari ang procurement, dito nangyayari ang actual implementation. At nandoon ang maraming weaknesses natin. Idagdag pa natin yung phase ng budget na tinatawag nating budget accountability, kung saan nagmo-monitor at nag-evaluate dapat ang DBM, siyempre yung COA dapat nag-audit, yung legislative oversight dapat malakas din. Napaka-weak ng legislative oversight on the budget kasi hindi tayo matulad ng legislative sa ibang bansa kung saan pag budget season na, actually yung iba separate pa ng mga hearing sa parliament na para lang tanungin, ito yung budget na binigay for agency A or agency B, ano nangyari sa budget na to? Ilan, for example, kung school building programs na may budget, halimbawa 10 billion pesos for 2026, sorry. Ano nangyari? Yan ang wala tayong ganung systematic na oversight mechanism. Dalawang bagay yung importanteng kailangang governance reform, participation, malawakang participation and throughout the entire budget cycle, and accountability mechanism kung saan palalakasin ang oversight with civil society also participating in that process and reforming, of course, the way that Congress evaluates and scrutinizes the budget. Magagawa pa ba ito sa administration na to? I don't think so. But we have to start somewhere. Kailangan, dahil ang laki talaga ng nawala sa corruption, sa flood control scandal, kailangan simulan na yung pagkakaroon ng building blocks towards stronger participation. And of course, for the government, perhaps it could be a legacy of the Marcos administration, is to institutionalize spaces for participation and open government. So ngayon meron tayong procurement and government initiatives, pero mas maganda kung nakasentro ang lahat ng iyon sa budget. Kasi lahat naman ng ini-implement na programa ng pamahalaan, lahat naman yan papasok sa budget. Wala namang mai-implement kung wala sa general appropriation. Yun siguro yung malaking reform na dapat doon.